And you know, say, anytime the news they drop, the phone done, right?
All that too.
I'm not too pre that you know, yeah, man. When the time come, it come.
That's the same thing Shepherd tell me. When the time come, we know how to deal with it.
Yeah. No pressure my brain with that, you know.
One more thing. I'm going to want to know if you keep a close eye on Whisper. I'm going to need your help.
What going for your assignment?
You serious? What if you talk about that now?
I'm just curious.
You know, so that little brother sister reason I did that go on good. Me that enjoy it, you know.
That's true, because I be a work we talk about.
Exactly.
So, what going for your assignment?
Alright. I find an old house in the bush way behind the canal.
Whisper, please don't tell me say you go over there by yourself.
No, but me hear voices over there. And smell blood.
Blood? You for call Mr. Monies for calling a team.
Not yet. An animal.
You sure? You know the difference?
Oh yeah, the style me. You don't think must know the difference by now.
I never said that. What's your next move?
Me I go and scout it out and see when over there empty. Then me just go over there and make a proper check.
Whisper.
Me know. Be careful. Remember say I have a back, you know? And you are the big bad shadow artist.
Yeah, try to make me feel good, not true.
Why are you so nervous about this though?
Because
Lily girl, there is certain things where you can't upset the balance. You have to allow it to play out the way it is supposed to play out. Just ensure that you keep your eye open and be ready at all times.
me a woman and I worry easily.
Look, no worry yourself. Everything I go good, alright?
Make sure.
Yeah, I'm sure. Alright, Bubblehead. Look out for my message.
Whisper don't call my bubble lady.